Good morning everyone from Jakarta, Indonesia. We have 2-day sales workshop here and it's a really busy city. It's my second time here. Today we focused on power of questions, and I'm emphasizing this in every business to business meeting simply because many salespeople, they jump into finding the right solution. When clients has a problem or pain, salespeople immediately jump to find the right solution. But before that, there is a mid step we all should do, and that means ask more questions. How problem occurs, what happens, what's the history behind it, what's the current setup, and most importantly, message for you guys who are watching this is ABC. Yes, not the old always be closing, but ABC means always be curious. Always try to dig deeper to understand what is really happening within client's account, what's happening in the technical side, on the business side, doesn't matter where, but what's the cause of the problem and how they experience this in the first place. And then later, second or third or fifth step should be you jumping into the solution mode or saving or of course selling mode. So remember, ABC, always be closing. Thank you for watching. No, it's not always be closing. Always be curious. Haha, got you. Thank you. Bye-bye.